Okay, the microwave is pretty simple to use. Opens like that. Sorry, opens like that. If you just want a 1 quick minute, you can press the single button and you will get 1 minute full power. Stop there. If you want to change the power level, it's just this one. So power level, sorry, and then the amount of time, and then start. That's it. It's the microwave. The barbecue is new in 2017. The old one fell apart when we were cleaning it. So don't be afraid to use it. It's, even though it's clean, it's going to be used this year anyway. So the only thing to note about this is when you have finished and you need to clean out the ashes from the bottom, you can just lift it up and take it to the grey bin and spill the ashes, the empty ashes in. There's no other way of getting the ashes out of the bottom. Okay, there is a little shovel here which might help if you need it. In the shed we have some barbecue charcoal, lighter fluid, and also these things for lighting. And finally you will find matches in the kitchen near the gas boiler right there.